In this video, you will learn how to replace the ink ribbon on the SP50. After approximately 9,000 prints, the automatic alarm "No ink ribbon" appears on the screen. The smear unit stops. In this case, you have to replace the ink ribbon. Open the slide unit cover and lift the cover up until it locks into place. Remove both slide holders from the slide unit. Close the slide unit cover and open the smear unit cover. If sample preparation is in progress, wait until the smear unit cover unlocks after all samples have been fed into the stain unit. Rotate the fan 1 forward and down. Remove the ribbon cartridge. Grasp the protrusion. Slide the bracket to the left and move the ribbon cartridge to the removal position. Lift the ribbon cartridge and remove the hook pin from the bracket. Remove the ribbon cartridge. Place the ribbon cartridge on a table. Lift both rollers of the ribbon cartridge and remove the used ink ribbon. Discard the old ink ribbon. Insert the new ink ribbon down into the ribbon cartridge. Make sure the ink side of the ink ribbon faces downward. Place the blue shaft on the side with the blue seal and the white shaft on the opposite side. Mount the ink ribbon into the ribbon cartridge. Remove the slack in the ribbon. Turn the white roller to the right. Before inserting the unit, be sure that the ink ribbon is tight. Install the ribbon cartridge with the blue roll facing the instrument. Catch the ribbon cartridge hook pin on the bracket. Slide the bracket to the right and mount the ribbon cartridge. The ink ribbon will be adjusted automatically to be prepared for the next print. Replace fan 1 in its original position. Close the smear unit cover and open the slide unit cover. Replace the slide holders. Close the slide unit cover. To finalize the replacement, press Accept on the screen. The SP50 is now ready for operation. You now know how to replace the ink ribbon on the SP50.